Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to look at the Oculus Rift. This is a full consumer version that I haven't really looked at yet. I've shown you guys the development version. That was the second iteration of the Oculus Rift dev kit. But I've never actually played around with the full Oculus Rift, the full consumer version. So this is the full consumer version, and I'm unboxing it for the first time right now. So see what we get. I can get some games here: the Eve, Valkyrie, Lucky's Tale, and Farlands. And we get inside the box these things. So let's take a look to see if that is true. Let's see. Let's remove this. All right. And oh, this just comes down like that. All right. Alright guys, so this is what it comes with, the box. Like this. Alright, so we get the Oculus sensor right here. I think you can add more of these to make it more of a three-dimensional experience like the HTC Vive. But this is the Oculus sensor right here. And then we got the Oculus Rift headset right here. The headset looks, yeah, definitely a lot smaller and lighter than the development kit version I had. Comes with built-in headphones. That's also something that didn't exist on the development version. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this will be like. I'm gonna try it out with my Alienware. See how it's like, and you can put some more sensors I think on the front here. It's a pretty long cable, but I guess it has to be long because you might be playing Fire from your desk. HDMI connection. Let's see, what else we got. This is the remote here. Go back, minus, plus. Okay. And the Xbox controller, which comes for free. So I have the Oculus Touch as well, so I'm gonna unbox that after. This is the Xbox controller you get with the Rift. I think this is for, you can use it with Xbox One and Windows, of course. This is the dongle for the Xbox. Then we get the instruction manual, or health and safety manual right here. Then we get the product manual right here. And I don't have an Xbox One, so I'm not gonna care about these too much. That's the product manual. Let's see. Yep. This is the Xbox manual. Oh, what's this thing? Nothing. Okay, we get another USB connector and a USB extension cord here in case we need it. Alright, and that's all that comes in the box, I think. Yep, so I think Oculus made it that, oh, you have to go to the website here. Go to oculus.com/setup, and then I think they'll have more detailed instructions over there. But it'd be nice to have like an offline big manual or something. I don't know why they didn't include one of those. Anyways, that's the Oculus Rift unboxing. You know, you get the Xbox controller for free, room sensor, remote, dongle for the controller, and of course the headset itself. So, yep. Anyways, that's the Oculus Rift unboxing. I'm gonna unbox the Oculus Touch now too. Just wait a second. Oh. Okay, so I have in front of me the Oculus Touch now. These are the touch controllers for the Oculus Rift, which just shipped. And I think this just came out yesterday, so it's going to be my first unboxing of this as well. Let's take a look. Same box as the Oculus Rift. Okay, so here's what we have. Let's see, you guys can see it better here. Okay. You have a little manual. Let's see. Let's open this guy up. Alright, you have to learn out about Rock Band VR. Huh. I do like Rock Band. They have batteries right here. I didn't know that it uses batteries, I guess. These are double A's. Uses double A's. Then you have a Rock Band add-on. I guess they want you to use a Rock Band. Health and safety manual right here. Always gotta have that. Don't want lawsuits. Alright. You have another room sensor here, which I didn't really expect. Do you really need two of them for the Oculus Touch? Anyways, I got like 2 room sensors now. I guess you need 2 of them for the Oculus Touch. And the Oculus Touch controllers. It's right here. Alright, so yeah, I guess if you guys have played the HTC Vive, these controllers are meant to compete with the Vive and make the Oculus Rift more competitive, because now you can use like this full. Ooh, I can feel it already. This feels really comfortable in my hand. Just doing like this. Yeah, there's AV buttons right here, analog stick, and trigger for my buttons here. Like triggers right here. Feels pretty nice. I'm really impressed. Yeah, this feels nice in my hand already. So I've used the Vive controllers before at a demonstration. I can say that these ones feel a little bit more natural, and because the Vive has these remote controller kind of controllers, right? That just have the it's bigger than these. Like it's longer, it's bigger. But I feel like the touch controllers definitely feel more natural to me. It feels lighter and a little bit more natural. So yeah, I like these touch controllers so far. I'll have to test them to see how good they really are. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on the Oculus Rift headset and using the Oculus Touch controllers, and we'll be playing a demonstration game called the Oculus First Contact, or Touch First Contact. And yeah, it's going to be fun, and can't wait to try out these controllers. Alright, so you got controller, got to use the lanyard. Left one and the right. Alright, and put on the headset. I've already adjusted everything now. It's just the HDMI cable's kind of in the way, but can't really do anything about that. Okay, and the game should start up once I put this in. Alright. It's pretty cool. Alright, so it feels like I'm in this virtual world right now, and you can see my hands and stuff respond to the Oculus Touch controllers. I can point my fingers. Yay! Can't make a peace sign, but I can point my fingers. Can clench my fists like this. Fighting. Okay. Okay. So that's the Oculus Touch controllers. Pretty cool. Alright, so I think I'm supposed to hit him, touch him a little bit. Oh. Wait, how do I do this? Alright, let's see if I can just close it like this. No, maybe I just use one finger. Just gently, there we go. Ooh. It's like Rob the Robot. Hello, Rob. It's okay. Don't be scared. Yes, it's me. There. Oh, I can wave. Hello. Hello. Ooh, so I can play these game discs. I can also touch these things. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, shh. Let's put that in. This looks like a really old, like 80s, 1980s computer or something. Okay. What if I switch that? Whoa. What happens? It just switches the channel or something. This is this PC board here. It looks like a Raspberry Pi. Yeah, stick that there. We got some Red Bull cans. There's some energy drink there. Got some balls. Oh, there you go. It's funny. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh, it's a 3D printer. Printed me this car. It's gone. What's the Oculus module? Ocular module. Okay. Does nothing. Alright, I'll take this one, put it in here. 3D printer, print me something. I'm waiting. Da 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 da. Give me something cool. Oh. Oh, butterflies. Oh. Wait, how do I get one to land on my finger? Like this? This? Wait, how do I get one to land on my finger? Wait, come on. Land on my finger, or we'll do it. No. I think it's... that one's going away. Alright. Try something else. I'm disappointed about the butterflies. You have to land on my finger. Alright, so I got a musical instrument. And this one. Oops. Okay. Let's see what's... oh, this is the butterflies again. Okay, let's see if this works again. Alright, come here. There we go, I got one. Finally. I got one on my hand. Finally got one in my hand. Oh my god. Okay. That was fun. Okay. Alright, one wants to land on my hand now. Okay, anyways, I'll take some of these other ones. Put this one down for now. Rocket ships? Sweet, got rocket ships. Okay. Oh my god. Whoa. Actually. Oh my god. Rockets everywhere. Next one. Whoa. What do you have this time? Whoa. Finger is a pointer now. I got a lightsaber finger now. Oh. Come here. Okay, that's mildly interesting, but not that much. Alright, let's try the last one. Sapper gun. Ooh. So remember when the Nintendo came out and they had the NES Zapper? I think this is what the kids really wanted. This is the NES Zapper. Oh yeah. Way better. Oh, butterflies, come on. Oh, oh. Die! No, can't die. This is so fun. Wow. I think, oh, it fires like Nerf darts or something. Oh. Oh, come on. Whew, that's pretty cool. Yeah, give me this one. Let's see what this one has. Whoa. 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 Everything's changing. Oh. Oh, so cool. Wow, am I in the Matrix? This is the Matrix, man. The Matrix. Oh, okay, that's really cool. Alright, I think that's it. Yep, that's it. That was the Oculus first contact. And pretty impressive demo, I think. I can't wait for the real cool games to come out for the Oculus Touch. I mean, yeah. Just imagine the possibilities with this thing, you know. When people imagine VR, you know, way back in like the 80s and 90s, I think this is what they would be so surprised to see this. This is what they envisioned. Way better than Virtual Boy or any of the previous virtual reality kind of experiences. And I've tried like, you know, Sony HMZ headset, all these headsets. It's not VR or anything. This is really immersive VR. Especially with the touch controllers and the HTC Vive. So yeah, I can't wait to see what people come up with. The touch controllers just came out, but can't wait to see what people come up with. And it's going to be really fun, really interesting. Just imagine, you know, playing like GTA or Fallout or DesX or Mirror's Edge or something using these controllers. Is going to be awesome. Oh, all right. That's it.